here. I'm so looking forward to having you in kindergarten. We can't wait to meet you. Bye.
Hello, future kindergartners. My name is Mrs. Williams, and I'm so excited for you to come to kindergarten next year. We're going to do lots of science experiments. We're going to play on the park, and I cannot wait to teach you how to read. See you soon.
Hi friends, I'm Miss Ellis and I teach kindergarten. I can't wait to see you guys next year.